Hi everybody, just wanted to go through creating some stuff. So want to do some metal work, and I've got this barbecue sign that you hang hooks on for obviously barbecue season, which we're starting to get into now that it's becoming summer in the northern hemisphere. Just want to walk through that, and then some other things that I want to make later on as well with you guys to show you how to make it. This is a fire pit. This is a Star Wars themed fire pit, so we'll be making one of these as well, and I'll just walk you through what we have in the garage to make some of these things. Obviously, we have the CNC table here, which we've seen before. We have a powder coating oven that I made. This is where we actually do the powder coating. Let me just move this out the way. So we'll go in here. Here is the compressor, three-phase compressor that we need for the plasma cutter. I have a rotary phase converter, which converts single phase to three phase. So what we can do is explain how that all works and how it works with this. Let me get everything started and ready to go. These things are very noisy, so you wouldn't hear anything in any case. So I'll do that and I'll bring us back when we're done. I'm just picking up some steel from the floor to put it on top of the box pan that I had made, which I can fill with water, which allows me to have a water table. I've got 90-degree angle iron as well. That just holds the steel off from sagging. Just pushing it on, and I'll be filling that with water just now. Show you what it looks like. Just bringing the first sign that I made, just making sure that I've got enough material for the cut. Just moving the table in position, just to make sure that when I cut the sign, there's enough material there for the entire cut. As I start moving the machine around, I realize that when I cut this, I'm not going to have enough material, and that I actually need to move the box pan. So what I'm doing now is just checking with the program loaded into the PC how it's going to cut, and I'm just moving it all the way across and all the way up, sort of the box and the size of the barbecue sign. I've got little Santa's helper on the right there having a look, and as I can see there now, it actually is not enough material for me to complete the cut, and I need to move the pan. So I come through now and I move it. It just needs a little bit of moving. As you can see, I'll just move it there. That should be enough, and then I can recheck the square of the program to make sure that it all fits in. So here I thought I'd be smart about this, and I would use a welding helmet lens to block out all the UV so we could see it cutting, but obviously clearly it's just too dark, so you can hear it cutting in the background there, and you can see the light, the torch. What I'll do is the next one when I cut, I'll show you how close it is. So I'm just having a look at the cut at the back of it with the dross, and as you can see there's hardly any dross. It was a really good cut, came out really well. Now it's just time to do some cleanup to move everything out the way, just get everything switched off, because the next part of it was going to be sanding it and powder coating, which I did the next day. I had a bit of a rookie mistake. I wasn't recording when I did the grinding and all the powder coating. So here I've just actually put the powder on the barbecue, and I'm just looking at it to make sure that it's been covered evenly. You can see it's a bit of a grey colour. That's sort of what it does, and then obviously when it cures a very dark black. We'll see that now in the next little while. I've now just put the sign into the homemade powder coating oven. As you can see there, it's got a little viewing window, it's got some heaters at the bottom, and as you can see, I'm just going to close it up and then put it on. This is a PID controller I have, which just manages the temperature of the oven. It's set to get to 195 degrees. When it does, I let it cure for 10 minutes, and then powder coating's done. Easy, simple. We'll do a video on how I made this. And there it is, out the oven. As you can see, 1 or 2 little marks on it, but nothing too bad. And that's the one that we used to show what we're going to be making. Here's a close-up of the powder coating. As you can see, didn't turn out too badly. I'm happy with that result. Powder coating oven and the powder coater works really, really well. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see you guys later.